everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix I cannot follow on TikTok. For that, open the TikTok application first. There are few following options that you can apply if it is not working. So the first one is to check the TikTok server. Being on online platform, TikTok relies on its server to deliver content and services to its user. So if the server goes down and expects some feature to become unusable, or the entire platform may not work. If you cannot follow users on TikTok, try to check the status of the server to identify where the problem is coming from. You can do this by using a third-party tool such as Down Detector application. With this, you will be able to find whether there's any issue with the TikTok server or not. Likewise, you can try restarting the application. If you cannot follow user on TikTok, one of the simplest thing you can do is restart the app. Just go back and remove it from the background running. This will allow your system to reload TikTok resources and eliminate any error that may have occurred during the runtime. Once you remove it from the background running and stopped it from running, you can tap upon TikTok again. Once you relaunch the TikTok application, you might be able to fix this issue. The third option is you need to check your network connection. When using an online platform, a stable connection is required. So, if you cannot follow user on TikTok, try to connect if your network is working correctly. For that, what you can do is try to do this speed test process. For that, you go to the Google Chrome. You need to type in fast.com and tap on search. This is a speed test which will measure your connection, the current connection, upload and download bandwidth. You can see the result 24 Mbps. If this test indicates that your network is not working or is the culprit, you can unplug your router and then restart it by resetting your connection. This may solve the issue of TikTok as well. Now the another thing is you go back to TikTok. You need to clear the TikTok cache. When your app cache gets corrupted, TikTok may not work correctly. To fix this, you open the TikTok and go to the profile, tap on profile. In the profile, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right, then tap on setting and privacy. On the setting and privacy, you scroll down and you need to tap on free up space. Tap that. Then you need to choose on the clear cache. Tap on clear over here. Once you choose that, it will clear the cache on the TikTok. Once the clearing process is done, you can restart the TikTok application again. Tap upon TikTok. This might solve the issue of not being able to follow on TikTok. The very last option how you can fix this is if your TikTok application need to be updated. For that, you can go and check out Google Play Store. On the search bar, type in TikTok. Tap on search. It will show you the TikTok application. Now if this app needs to be updated, there will be update option instead of open. You tap on update and the installation of the latest version of TikTok will be downloaded. After updating the app, you try to follow a user or page to check if the problem is solved. These are few options how you can fix the cannot follow on TikTok issue. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.